Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have some products that I am very excited to show you guys. When I saw it on Trend Mood, the day that it launched, I bought it right away. I could not wait. Let me show you what they are. Here it is right here. It is by Colourpop and they collaborated with the Make-A-Wish Foundation. They helped this wish child and her name is Delilah and they helped create her own makeup collection. If you're not familiar with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, they are a nonprofit organization that creates life-changing wishes for children with critical illnesses. Make-A-Wish grants one-of-a-kind wish experiences, and it gives them a restored hope and it gives them a reason to keep fighting. It gives them hope, it gives them joy, it gives them strength, and not just for the wish child, pretty much for the wish family too. Now, I do need to let you know, a little disclaimer here, I do not work for the Make-A-Wish Foundation, but I volunteer for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I am a wish granter for them, and what we do is once the child has been approved for a wish, then us wish granters, we go meet with the wish family, meet with the wish child, we fill out the paperwork and we find out what the child's wish is. It could be I wish to go, I wish to meet, I wish to be, I wish to have. And what this wish child, Delilah, did with Colourpop, her wish was to create a makeup collection that benefits cancer patients. Now, how awesome is that? That is truly wonderful. So the day that it launched, I bought it and I couldn't wait to try it on and to show it to you guys. I'm really excited about this. But let me finish this. Once we find out what the child's wish is, we'll send the paperwork to the office. And, you know, once it's been approved, then depending on what the wish is, we will do a send-off party. It could be at their favorite place, their favorite restaurant, their favorite activity. We have even surprised a couple of kids in their school. You know, they didn't know, except for the parents, that we were going to be there. The whole school showed up. And I'm going to show you here what I have. I have my magic wand. Yes, I do use this quite often. I have my magic wand here. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited when I talk about Make-A-Wish. But like at the school, we will wave our magic wand and say, poof, you are going to Disney World. Or you are going to meet so-and-so. It was just so exciting. It's just so fun. It's just so heartwarming. I mean, we even had our local sheriff come at the send-off party to deputize this wish child before he went off on his wish. And these wishes, they are all unique. Each wish is unique. Even though most of my wishes are to Disney World, and believe me, I love Disney World. Whenever they do wish for Disney World, the child and I could talk. Even most of them are for Disney World. Each wish to Disney World is different. One wants to meet Mickey Mouse. One wants to have lunch with a princess. One wants to cook with Mickey Mouse. I mean, we've granted Disney wishes. We've granted bedroom redos. We've granted travel wishes to Ireland. We had one recently that her wish was to see the Northern Lights in Alaska. We have a child that wished for a playground that was wheelchair accessible in their backyard. I mean, it's whatever the child's wish is, and us as wish granters and the Make-A-Wish Foundation, we will wave our magic wand and grant their wish. And it does give the wish child and the family, like I said, joy, hope, and strength to keep fighting. You just can't explain the love, the happiness that's going on. So I will try not to be biased about this review, but it's with Make-A-Wish. Anything with Make-A-Wish, I will do it. I will buy it. I will support Make-A-Wish. So with that, let's talk about the Colourpop Make-A-Wish collaboration. I probably went a little bit too much on, you know, the Make-A-Wish side, but that is such an important foundation for me. I love the Make-A-Wish Foundation and what they do for families. What they do for the wish child and for the families. Now, Delilah's wish again was to create a makeup collection to benefit cancer patients. So this pretty much was her wish to help other people. I mean, if that's not enough to run out and buy these collections, these two kits right here, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. So Make-A-Wish and Colourpop collaborated together to grant her wish. I'm going to link this video down below. It's just a short 5-minute video of Delilah at Colourpop, and it tells her story in her words and the colors that she chose and the names that she chose for them. Again, I'll link that video down below, and I do hope that you do watch it. I'll link everything down below. They're not going to be affiliate links. I'm not going to make, pennies on it. This is all to show you guys about Make-A-Wish, to show you these products. It's all for Delilah and her wish. First, let's talk about this kit right here. It's called Journey. It is a collection of 4 Super Shock shadows. And if you're familiar with Colourpop and their shadows, they're very nice, very pigmented. I do have a couple of these shadows. This bundle right here costs $18, so you're getting 4 shadows for $18. And here they are right here. Let's go ahead and swatch these and tell you the names and why she chose these names. First, let's talk about OK. It is a soft gold with a silver glitter. And the reason why she named it OK is when I was going through pain or hard times in my cancer journey, I would tell myself it is going to be okay. Okay. Next is DJ, and it is a vibrant metallic copper. And she named it DJ because these are my initials and I wanted to have my initials in it. These are in her words. And it's also what I used on my lid. I'm going to show you how I came up with this look, later in the video. Next is Cherish. It is a bronze drizzled with silver glitter. And for Cherish, she says, look around and cherish the now. Cherish the now. And then this real pretty blue. This is a real pretty blue. It's called Warrior. It's a black and teal with turquoise glitter. And she named it Warrior because childhood cancer warriors are strong and bold. I can't, okay? This is just wonderful. It's just wonderful. Now let's get into how I came up with this look, and then we'll do some swatches for the lips. Let's go ahead and start using these shades. And excuse my hair, I have it pulled up before I curl it. That's how I do my hair. Plus, to pull it away from my face so it doesn't get in the way when I apply the shadows. So let's go ahead and start using the Journey shadows. But first, I'm going to go in with the palette, also from Colourpop. This is the Yes Please. There it is right there. It has your warms and your peach and reds and golds in there. I just wanted to pull in another palette so I can use it for transition shades because most of these are metallics and shimmery, glittery shadows. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Revlon eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to set it with this shade right here. Alright, for my transition, I'm going to use this shade right here on the top row and just put that above my crease and in my crease too. And I'm going to be using the Morphe B13 brush. I'll list everything down below for you guys so you can check that out. Okay, using the same fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here, second row, first one. And also be putting that in my crease and above my crease. Next, I'll be using my Sigma E25 brush, my blending brush, and I'm going to go in the same row, but the last one. Placing this one in my crease. And maybe just a smidgen above my crease. And this is a really nice palette from Colourpop. It has those warm browns, those reds and golds. And for the price, you really are getting a good palette for this one, for the price. Yes, they do blend out very well, and the pigment of it is really nice. Now let's go in with these shadows right here. This one I'm going to use DJ, her initials. And with these shadows, using your finger, I believe you do get the best color payoff when you use your fingers. DJ is a beautiful metallic copper shade. So I'm going to pop that on my lid, on my movable lid, and just put that everywhere. That is a beautiful color. Beautiful. There's not much glitter in this one, but it's a real pretty metallic shade. Yeah, I'm going to put that everywhere, even in the corner. Let's put it all over. Alright, next I'm going to use Cherish, this beautiful bronze shade, and you can see that it does have some glitter in there. Also using my finger, and I'm going to pop that in the middle of my lid. Let's see how that goes. Oh yeah, that does give it a little bit of shine to it. You know what, I'm going to put it in the inside of my eye too. The corner of my eye. The inside corner of my eye. Yeah, that does give it a little bit of pop there, doesn't it? Cherish every day. Let me tell you, cherish every day. Alright, going back in with the palette, I'm going to use the Sigma E45 brush. It's a little bit more tapered. And I'm going to take the darkest shade here in the corner, this dark brown shade, and put that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, I hope that looks even because my eyelids are not even, so I'm trying to adjust. I mean, these are 50-year-old eyelids, so I gotta work with what I got. Taking the first brush, and I'm just gonna blend that all together up there above my crease. You know what? I'm going to go a little bit out of my comfort zone because this blue warrior right here is just too beautiful to pass up. Okay, I am going to try to use this as a liner on my top eyelash line. I'm going to try that. Usually I use black eyeliner because I just love using black eyeliner in my lash line, waterline, the lower lash line, everywhere. But this time I'm going to go for something different and use Warrior, be bold, and use this as my liner. Let's go for it. I'm going to use this brush by Sigma, the E15. It is a flat tip brush. Okay, I'm going in. Be bold, be bold. Okay, I hope I did not mess up this look, but it's all makeup. It's all good. You know what? I'm going to grab some setting spray to wet down this brush. Alright, I'm going to use this one here by Badescue, the Rose Water. I'm just going to spray the brush down. Get it wet. Yes, that does give me a little bit more color payoff. That is a different look for me, guys. But I think it's going to be okay. I hope it's going to be okay. I'm just going to keep building it up because that is a real pretty blue. That is a real pretty blue. This is the first time I've done anything like this, so I hope I'm using the right brush, right tools for it. It's a learning curve, I guess you could say. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see that blue? It's real pretty. I can see it in this mirror pretty well, and it's pretty. Okay, let me put on my foundation and concealer, and then I'll come back and do underneath my eye with the palette. Be right back. Alright, I put my concealer on, and I'm going back into Yes Please, and using this brush from one of the palettes from Dose of Colors, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Oops. This shade right here, and just put that all underneath my lash line. Then going in with this shade too. Might as well. Then going in with this dark brown, and I'm just going to put it in the bottom corner of my eye. Just kind of smoke it out a little bit. And then bring that up to connect it to the corner there. You know, I forgot to mention this before I put my concealer on and foundation, that there wasn't that much fallout. The only thing was just the shadow from my finger. It was just a little bit on the bottom of my eyes, but that's me. So there was no fallout with these shadows. Alright, now I'm going to try to fight the urge of not using a black eyeliner on my top lash line. Do my hair, put the rest of my makeup on, and then we'll play with the lip glosses. Be right back. To finish it up, I'm going to use OK with a pencil brush and highlight my brow bone. Let's try that. So here's the finished look right here, and I think it looks pretty good. I had to fight every urge not to use a black eyeliner and just stick with Warrior on my lash line, and I think it looks really good. I really do think it looks really good. Alright, now let's talk about the lip bundle. It's called Strength, and this costs $16. You have a bundle of 3. You have 1 satin lip and 2 lip glosses. First, you have New Day, which is the lip gloss. It is a sheer light nude, and she named it New Day because every sunrise was a new day to slay. I mean, I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I think I slayed this look. Is that how you say it? Or my eyeshadow is on slay, or eyeshadow is slay. I don't know how to use that slang, but I'm too old for that. but I do like why she named this New Day. Next is this other lip gloss called JJ. It is a soft raspberry, and she named it JJ because I love my little sister and she loves makeup, so I wanted her initials in it. That's nice. Not only she's thinking about other cancer patients, she's thinking about her sister. And the wish experience not only affects the child, the wish child, it affects the whole family. And then this satin lip is called Wish. It is a warm beige with a peachy undertone. And she named it Wish in honor of Make-A-Wish. Now, I don't know much about the Colourpop's formulas. This is my first time to try it, but so far it's laying on my lips very nice. It's not drying at all. I did put a lip gloss over it. I put JJ on top of it. That's what I'm wearing right now, Wish and JJ. I kind of like it. I kind of like the color and I like how it feels. So I should say that Delilah did a wonderful job with Colourpop. These shadows and the lippies are wonderful. If you're not familiar with the Colourpop brand, I do have some of their palettes. Actually, I even picked up the one that they collaborated with Disney. This one here, the Disney Princesses, and some of their Super Shock shadows. Here's another bundle of 4 with the Disney collaboration and their lippies. I do know that the lipsticks have sold out. I wanted to do this one, but when I saw that Make-A-Wish, this one had to go first. The Make-A-Wish one had to go first. If you want to see the Disney collab, just leave a comment down below and I will do it. I love the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I love what they do with the Wish family, with the Wish child. It's just a wonderful, wonderful organization and I will support it. I will support it in any shape or form. So I hope my bias wasn't too bad. But in all honesty, these shadows are wonderful. The lippies are nice and I will continue to use these. I will continue to use these. And I will also continue to support the Make-A-Wish Foundation. And Colourpop is a wonderful brand, and for them to do this with the Make-A-Wish Foundation for Delilah, it's an A in my book. And Colourpop will also donate 20% of whatever sold, the Journey and the Strength, whatever sold between October 11th, 2018 through January 11th, 2019. So I do hope that you pick up one or both of these kits between that time because 20% is a generous amount from Colourpop to donate to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. And that foundation does wonders. It does wonders for the Wish kids and for the families. Like I said, it gives them hope, gives them strength, it gives them joy. And for Colourpop to do that, again, another A in my book. They do have great shadows. They have great palettes, and I do like their Super Shock shadows. I do have several, and these Super Shock shadows does have that pop on my lids, and you know, you can see it. I hope what I created does show what they can do. And I do hope that you do pick up one or both of these palettes to help support the Make-A-Wish Foundation. If not, that's fine. I'm not trying to push anything on you guys. I just wanted to let you know about this. Yes, I am a little biased, but it is all in fun. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this biased review of this Colourpop collaboration with the Make-A-Wish Foundation to help grant Delilah's wish to create a makeup collection for cancer patients. I hope it wasn't too bad. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. So yes, here's my magic wand.